Okay.
Yeah, a little feller. Mom, I'm not trying again.
Good.
Hey, those boys are easier.
You right. Don't have to deal with a teenage girl.
Those boys are easier.
No offense, Jaden. But offense. Looks like a little monkey.
Have you looked at the daddy lately?
I was going to say, that's because it's a little Jessie.
A Mexican monkey.
Another big hit.
Having a boy. You say boy? What do you think?
A baby brother. Yay!
We're having a boy.
Yay!
Yeah, I see it.
She keeps showing it to you, huh?
I know.
Careful, hey. Stop running.
Man, I wish you would have kept all your stuff now. Right there, too. You can see it coming down the chest and the belly right to the lap. Papa. That's probably just my breakfast. That could be a tater tot.
Nice try.
You got a baby brother. You got a baby brother. I know.
Baby brothers are cool.
You've got shoes on.
We love stretching those legs out.
Dinner.
Another tall one.
Yeah.
Ooh, I hope that's not a foot. Look, your brother moving. Look at him swimming. He's swimming. He's like,
Yeah.